Good morning. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So it's currently 5 a.m. It's 5:13 a.m. right now. From a very long time I was thinking of getting up early in the morning to study because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सुबह अच्छी पढ़ाई होती है but I'm never able to do it. So finally आज बहुत सारे अलार्म्स लगाने के बाद I finally woke up. It already feels like a victory कि मैं बहुत टाइम से ट्राई कर रही थी. So we are going to start our day now. So first things first, सबसे पहले हम ब्रश करेंगे, मुंह धोएंगे, थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप होंगे क्योंकि अभी तो मैं थोड़ा नींद में हूँ बट आई एम होपिंग कि फेस वॉश करने के बाद इट विल गो अवे. सो लेट्स जस्ट गो एंड गेट रेडी फॉर द मॉर्निंग. और सुबह उठने का एक और फायदा है कि मैं आराम से व्लॉग कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज शायद अभी कोई उठा नहीं होगा. So I am back in my room. I got freshen up. Now I'm gonna make my bed and then I'm gonna decide मुझे कहाँ पढ़ना है because इस स्टडी टेबल पे तो बहुत सामान पड़ा है and it needs to be cleaned up. तो पहले सबसे पहले बेड ठीक करते हैं and then let's decide कहाँ पढ़ना है. Most probably मैं बेड टेबल लगाकर यहीं पर ही पढ़ने वाली हूँ. Once I'm done with like an hour or so of study, then we'll shift to the study table. So let's just make the bed first. Before we start studying, I'm just gonna apply thoda sa moisturizer because my skin is feeling very dry after the face wash. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm done with my first study session and the time is now 6:20. I'm kind of feeling a bit sleepy, so I think I'm gonna do a little bit of exercise or yoga in my room only. और उसके बाद I can resume with my study. I think I'm not wearing the appropriate t-shirt because it's very loose. I'm not feeling very comfortable, so I'm just gonna change this and then we will start in just 2 minutes. I'm not lying, but it feels so good to be awake at this point of time. I saw the sunrise. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा birds की भी आवाज़ आ रही है, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इस टाइम पे जागे रहना is a blessing in itself. Not like रात से अभी तक जागे हुए हैं. इस टाइम पर जाग जाना सुबह. Those who do it every day, like I'm proud of you guys, and I really want myself to do it as well always. At least I should try to get up early as many times as I can. और अब हम वापस शुरू करेंगे अपनी पढ़ाई and maybe this time on the table because I really need to change my places so that I don't get bored at the same place. But before I study on the study table, it needs to get cleaned, so give me 5 minutes and I'll be back. I'm ready with my study table and my books to do the second study session. But उससे पहले I want to tell you guys something. So I recently got something for myself, and that thing is a new tripod. So I just received it yesterday and I still haven't unboxed it because I want to film it. I'll be posting it on my YouTube shorts. If you guys want to see how it is and how the unboxing goes, do check out my YouTube shorts. And that's about it. तो मैंने अपने first study session में जो पढ़ा था topic, now I'm just gonna read it from the textbook. तो मैं pediatrics पढ़ रही थी and let me show you pediatric की textbook कितनी मोटी है. Okay guys, this is pediatrics की textbook. Literally मैं इससे weightlifting कर सकती हूँ. But anyways, let's start. So guys, finally मैंने एक break लिया and in this time I want to talk to you all about an app called Quizlet, which has made my studying process really easier these days. I recently came across it and it has really made my studying very effective by providing so many options for revisions. So as you saw, I studied the topic of neonatal seizures from pediatric textbook. Now I am going to create a study guide by uploading the images. Quizlet has now created a summary of the text in bullet points covering everything important. Now I can revise the topic from this study guide. Not just this, I also created flashcard for the terms I find difficult to understand. And now comes the feature which helps me the most during my revisions. I created a test for myself from the text I studied and then attempted it. I could totally customize the number and type of questions I wanted. At the end, it provided me a detailed analysis and I got to know what my mistakes were. Link is in description, make sure you give it a try. So the time now is 7:30 and I'm leaving for my hostel mess to have my breakfast. ये बहुत ही कम दिन ऐसा मौका आता है कि मैं टाइम से उठ गई हूँ and I can have the breakfast. Guys, you won't believe, but literally I might be the first one to enter the mess today and it doesn't feel real. See, अभी तक कोई नहीं आया है. पहले तो मैं अपना ब्रेकफास्ट रूम पर ही ले आई हूँ. An episode of Friends, which is like my favorite show.
Me. Because you took 300 bottles of shampoo?
Alright guys, so we are done for today's study session. I really felt nice doing this video because मेरा बहुत बड़ा सपना है कि मैं एक मॉर्निंग पर्सन बन जाऊँ और मैं रोज़ सुबह 5 बजे उठ जाऊँ, पर ये हो नहीं पाता है. पर आई डोंट नो कि मैं रोज़ कर पाऊंगी या नहीं, पर एक दिन किया वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ दैट आई डिड इट. हाँ, वन थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर इज कि एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद मुझे स्लीपी फील नहीं हुआ. मतलब पहले मुझे नींद आ रही थी, पर जब मैंने एक्सरसाइज कर लिया थोड़ा, तो उसके बाद से मुझे अभी तक नींद नहीं आई है. आई थिंक इट कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प यू इफ यू आर एवर डूइंग एन अर्ली मॉर्निंग रूटीन. यू शुड ऑल्सो try and include some exercise so that you don't feel sleepy throughout your study sessions. And that is it about today. So I really hope that I do it more often, and definitely when I'll do another early morning study session, I will share with you all. If you want more such early morning vlogs, comment down early mornings. So I guess that was it about today's video, and I hope you all liked it. Oh, I've just realized कि मेरी घड़ी के सेल खत्म हो गए हैं. इसमें तो भी 7 भी नहीं बजे हैं, बट अभी I think 8 o'clock तो हो गया है. If you like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, और comments में बताओ कि आपका best study timing क्या है. And that is it about this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.